Hi you guys, Birgit Heffler with Something from Somewhere, Organically Reborn Furniture and Decor. I just wanted to come on real quick and tell you a little bit about what these IOD, when I say them on Facebook, what it is, IOD transfers. These are actually, they're like a big sticker, and you can use them on metal, on wood, on practically anything. Not necessarily have to be flat, but that you want to decorate and you want to make it really beautiful. You know, if you've ever seen those furniture that have like these very decorative, like they almost look like a drawing on them. This is what it is. It's called a transfer, and I wanted to let you know that I'm carrying them now and I'm using them, and so I wanted to let you know about that. And I've been using it on this trunk. Most of you probably see me. I've been sending a little bit of a peek here and there. It's taking me a little while because I've just got other stuff going. But anyway, I want to really be here with you today and kind of give you an idea by showing you what they are and what they do. As you can see here, they have these beautiful like flowers and letters and words. They come in this really cool packaging, this tube. You can see up here, let me show you. Up on the top, I think there's a few there to choose from. I have quite a variety of transfers, and I have some other stuff coming soon that I will show you periodically as they come also, and we'll play with them, some molds and some stamps. But today I wanted to show you these transfers. So it's like a big sticker, no? They come inside, and they're quite large. You can cut them. This is called the Flora Parisiensis, the one that I'm using. And I've just cut a few, parts, like the sticker that I want to use. And that's what I've been doing in the trunk here. I'm gonna move it a little bit so you can see. So what you really want to do is when you get it and you open it, they're all gonna come with this tool. It's a little plastic stick, which is what you use to rub it on. You know, you put the design where you want it and whatever it is that you're working on, and you just place it and pretty much rub it. Now, it comes with this other part, which is like the protective part. Don't take it off until you're gonna be using it, until you're ready to use it, because this part is like a sticker, so it sticks. And if it sticks to anything else, it'll get ruined and then it won't work as well. So I'm going to show you just really quick with over here, bringing the camera closer. I've started on this, obviously, but I also have an area here, I hope you can see, that I've started. So I put this down. I use a little bit of masking tape to place it down where I want it. And then with this tool, I just rub on it. You can see here. So once you start like rubbing it, it kind of starts becoming translucent, meaning that, you know, it's transferring to the other side, and then you can lift it up little by little, as I'm doing here. You know, take the masking tape off, and you kind of just pull it off, and there's the transfer. Now, once you're done transferring, I mean, you can just pretty much just push it down in areas that it may still be lifted up a little bit. You want to put this transfer, and I forgot to mention it earlier, in any surface that doesn't have a sealer. Okay, so you want to make sure that there's nothing shiny or any kind of sealer before, because it may not allow it to stick. So you do that after. So in any material that you're going to be putting it on first, transfer it on, rub it on first, and then you seal it with a top coat or a wax. I recommend, if you want to give it a little bit of that vintagey look, to use a light sanding block or like a little sponge, like what you clean your dishes with. I like this one in particular. It's like a little rough, not strong, but just you rub it, just to kind of like make sure that if there's any areas that are still lifted, that you are, you know, helping it settle. And also in the creases, especially in the creases. Sometimes I go with my nail when there is like a little lump or like where there's an opening of a drawer and you might just want to go with your nail across it. It kind of like just, you know, cuts off from one side to the other, and then you just kind of stick it, you know, down, push it down with your hand. And then once it's on, then you just seal it. I use this is actually painted with sweet pickens. It's a milk paint. It comes in powder, and then I mix it with water. So this one in particular comes in these packages, and I mix it 1 part powder, 1 part water, hot water especially. And then once it's, you know, dry, then you put a top coat. You can use wax or you can use a top coat. I particularly like the sweet pickens, and it also works like a Mod Podge. So it's perfect for sealing the transfer. So once you're done with rubbing, you know, the transfer where you want it, then you want to seal it, let it dry. If you want to do it again, that's up to you, but 1 coat is usually enough depending on where you're going to have your piece. But that's it. So these, you know, transfers are now online on my website if you want to check them out. And if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to send me an email at info@somethingfromsomewhere.com, and I'll be more than happy to explain it to you if you have any questions. And anyway, so that's what I wanted to come on here real quick and just kind of give you a quick look, quick peek. I'm almost done. I've lined it inside and I have put all the transfers on. Now I'm going to seal it with the top coat, and it should be available soon on my website. So I hope you guys follow me, like me, subscribe. I'm going to be doing some more videos as I get going more in the projects, painting. I know I've slacked off a little bit, but it's been a lot of reconstruction in the shop and becoming a retailer for quite a few of the products that I'm carrying now, and that takes a lot of time. It's only me, so I'm doing all the work on the website and adding all the inventory and so forth. But it's going to be exciting to really be here with you more often and teach you how to use all these products. And I hope to be connected with you guys more. And again, any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for hanging out. Bye-bye.